Here in a Kurdish-majority region in northeast Syria, people gather at night at roundabouts in cities, small towns and villages. They put on fires because of the freezing cold. Everybody is armed and determined to defend their neighborhood. We are here in the northeast of Syria, Tirbespiye, not far away from Qamishlo, one of the main cities in Rojava. People here are gathering in a kind of self-defense committees in order to preserve their achievements of this democratic revolution, which is threatened today by sleeper cells of Daesh, but also by the official government, Syrian government of Damascus, who is approaching to the area. People are very angry and worried. The negotiations with the new government in Damascus are stalled and the Syrian army is approaching more and more this area despite an ongoing ceasefire. Hussein Khaled is born in Tirbespiye and they don't want to give up their region.
شوام درکفنش بوی گلک کس هنر درکفن ایوار امیجن شانه رازانی ایریشیمت کن آنج بو ام خود پاريزن پارسناش بوی تاخي خویش بو هزي خوبش گریا هزي خود کن يعني اوام زانن يعني شركي براستيجي يعني جراند هشمنديكا براستيجي تطرف گلكي افشمنديها يعني ناسكرنجي مروفاهي جمنينا.
Many young people died to chase the Islamic State, and now the Islamic-led Syrian government is asking them to lay down arms and surrender. Kobane, for instance, is totally isolated and encircled by the Syrian regime forces. The Syrian army is at the gates of the city of Hasakah. People here fear that human rights, especially women's rights, will be violated.
لا أخلاقي لا مروفاهي لا قبول كرن لا إنسانيات آلي قبولناك تنيك آلي قبولك وتني آلي بنافي الله أكبر سرجي كرنا تواجدك وتنيجي مثلا حتى وكا إيرو دبيجن مديتم يعني كتشكا بورا وادو حسين جنا دبيجن جمانين.
The Kurds feel abandoned. The world has turned a blind eye to us, they say. The coexistence between Kurds and Arabs is seriously damaged, and now the inter-Kurdish solidarity becomes even more important. Chris Den Hond and Abbas for the Amargi, Tirbespiye, Northeast Syria.